Today, we will introduce our fully automatic ice packaging machine to you. Here it is. Ice machine. 5-ton ice machine. After the ice comes on, pipe in at this location into one of our ice storage units. This is our ice storage warehouse. Come back after the ice storage warehouse comes on. Our position is docking one of our feeders. Z-type feeding machine. Then it is linked. Linked through here to one of ours. Our ice-packed ones, 2 scales. This is a 2-headed scale. Okay, after the scales come down, we start packing. This is one of our fully automatic packages. 2 to 3 kilograms of ice. Okay, so let's take a look at one of our packaged products. Here it is. 2 kilograms. A 2-kilogram bag. This is our 3 kilograms. Very beautiful. Okay,